guys, it's Natalia and welcome back to Fashion Design 101. Today we have a really quick and simple tutorial on how to do a French seam. French seams can be used for so many things. Firstly, it's just a really nice clean finish. So a lot of the times if you want to really make your garments a lot more professional looking and really clean on the inside, you'll use a French seam. But it's also very commonly used for a lot of lighter weight fabrics or transparent fabrics, things like chiffon, organza, that type of stuff, or generally for fabrics that fray really easily. I love a French seam and it's really simple. It has like one extra step than a regular seam, but it really does elevate your garment. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do it on chiffon. And that being said, let's get into it. So you want to take your fabric and put it wrong sides together. When it comes to this chiffon, it's honestly really hard to tell if there's a right or wrong side to it, and I find that to be with a lot of transparent fabrics, so do your best. And then we're going to pin them wrong sides together. Again, wrong sides together, not right sides together like you usually would. I'm going to place my fabric here and we're going to sew at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And now we're gonna trim about half of this seam allowance. So you'll be left with about 1/8 of an inch on there. So now it's time to iron this. What we're gonna do is fold it over so the seam allowance is on the inside, and we're gonna iron it right on that fold. It should look something like this. Nice and clean right on that fold. Now we're gonna take our seam that we just ironed down and we're gonna sew at a 1/4 inch seam allowance again. And what this is gonna do is lock in that seam allowance on the inside, so now we won't be able to see it and it'll be a really clean finish. It should look something like this. And now we can iron it for a nice clean finish on the inside. This is what your French seam will look like on the outside, and on the inside you'll see there's no raw edges and everything is nice and clean. That is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what other tutorials you'd want to see next. As a reminder, this is an entire series, so I have a whole playlist on my YouTube channel called Fashion Design 101 where I teach you everything from the very basics of sewing, of like how to thread your machine, different types of fabrics, to patterning your own pieces, and so much more. So let me know what you want to see next because I am diving into this series once again and would love to know what you guys want to know. That being said, subscribe for more if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!